So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here on the desktop version, you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on all. And here on the all networks and add-ons, at the Paramount Plus with SHOWTIME, you can just click on it. And then you want to buy this Paramount Plus with $10 per month and the 7-day free trial. So just click on next. And then you want to complete the purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. After that, just click on I agree and then click on start membership. Then after you complete the purchase, to watch the Paramount Plus, you can go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on this search icon. And then you want to search for Paramount. And then after that, you can just click on this Paramount Plus with SHOWTIME. If you do have the base plan of YouTube TV, you can also choose the Paramount network. So just click on the Paramount Plus with SHOWTIME. And you can just scroll down and then choose any Paramount Plus movies, show, or the program. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session of the Paramount Plus, or you just want to record any show to watch it later on your YouTube TV library, you can just hover over any specific show and then click right here on these three dots and then just click on add with the show name. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. So to check every show that you add or recorded, you can just click right here on the library beside home page. So if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch the Paramount Plus with SHOWTIME on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.